तूं म्हाका सांग की काळजार धरून सांग माफिया कडेन तुका फायट करचीच पडटली तुका गांवांत भितर नवें रेवोल्युशन हाडचेंच पडटलें तुका चळवळ करचीच पडटली तुका फक्त म्हाका हो त्रास करतात म्हाका भंय घालतात म्हाका घरा कडेन आतां 2 लोक येतले सांगून जावपाना कोणें तरी मरचें पडटलें हांव तुका मरचें म्हळ्यार फिजिकली मरपाचें म्हणना कारण तूं आमकां जाय म्हाका सांग कशें फुडें वतलो तूं ताणें तुका सांगलें मरे कोणें तरी मुवमेंटान अरे कोणें तरी सुभाषचंद्र बोस जावचो पडटा कोणें तरी शिवाजी महाराज जावचो पडटा कोण जातले
सर हितून कितें इट इज द मेन थिंग इज जे आमचे लोक आहा पळय गोंयचे लोक वी आर वेरी वल्नरेबल म्हणजे वी आर वेरी वीक when
No,
it
we are
comes
not
to
very-
one minute
I'm sorry, we are
one
not
minute when it comes to weak what I'm trying to say is we are weak in our decisions we are too fast when things happen we are of a nature which is calm which is smooth we are used to that susagat kind of life we
Hey,
like
Papa,
our life
we
peaceful
are the
let me
first
finish
ones to
I don't
fight in
interrupt
1580.
I don't interrupt
call
when you
Goans
speak
weak.
so you please
We
allow
were
me
the
to
first
speak
ones to fight. No,
you please have some decency
You can't
to allow me to
forget
speak
the decency.
then you don't have decency then don't speak on this channel
No, my friend, you don't call Goans weak.
you please learn to
Don't
listen and
call
allow others
Goans
to
weak.
speak
Don't call Goans weak.
I have given an explanation
No,
what I'm
that
calling
explanation
weak
not acceptable.
बरं, रोशन,
exactly
बरं,
one of the
रोशन,
weakness
रोशन,
that is there.
बरं, रोशन म्हाका आतां तुजे कडेन लास्ट सेंटेन्स जाय सेंटेन्स अशें की बाबा आमी आतां कितें करप वीक बीक ते
करप्ट
सगळें
कितें सर हे जे करप्ट पॉलिटिशियन्स आहा दिस करप्ट
ते जालें, बोलून जालें. आता तू कसो fight करतलो
सर
सांग.
दे हॅव टू बी थ्रोन आउट
Okay.
फॉर देम टू बी थ्रोन आउट वी हॅव टू एड्युकेट एव्हरी गोवन
Okay.
दॅट इज द
So
ओनली
let's start from you. You in
Then
your village, you have to
I'm
fight.
doing my
Something has to be done.